We all know electricity can be dangerous, but in places like hospitals and hotels, it's more than dangerous, it's downright critical. We're talking about life support systems, sensitive medical equipment, and a whole lot of people who depend on this stuff working right. That's why today we're diving headfirst into the world of electrical safety. We're going to break down some essential tips and best practices to keep these vital spaces safe and prevent those oh crap moments. Because trust me, when it comes to electricity, the best surprise is no surprise. Just like your trusty pickup needs a tune-up now and then, the electrical systems in our hospitals and hotels need regular checkups too. And I don't mean a quick look-see with a flashlight. We're talking about bringing in the pros, the certified electricians who know their stuff inside and out. These folks can spot a potential problem from a mile away, whether it's faulty wiring, overloaded circuits, or equipment on its last legs. Ever get zapped by a faulty appliance in the bathroom? Not fun, right? Well, imagine that happening in a hospital room with sensitive equipment everywhere. That's where GFCIs, or ground fault circuit interrupters, come in. These little devices are like the safety guards of the electrical world, designed to trip and cut off power the instant they sense an imbalance. We've all been there, plugging in one too many devices and hoping for the best. But in critical environments, overloading outlets is a recipe for disaster. It's like trying to cram a week's worth of laundry into a washing machine. Something's gotta give. Overloaded circuits can lead to overheating, fires, and equipment failure. Look, I get it. Electricity can be a real pain in the neck sometimes, but cutting corners or ignoring basic safety practices is like playing Russian roulette with a live wire. Don't be that guy. We're talking about simple things like never using damaged cords or equipment, keeping electrical appliances away from water sources, and this should go without saying, never sticking your finger in a light socket. Emergencies happen, that's a fact of life. But in a hospital or hotel, a power outage can quickly escalate from an inconvenience to a life-threatening situation. That's why having a solid emergency plan is crucial. This means having backup generators up to snuff, clearly marked evacuation routes, and staff trained to handle electrical emergencies. Listen, you can have the most advanced safety equipment in the world, but it won't mean a hill of beans if people don't know how to use it. That's why ongoing training and education are essential. From nurses and doctors to housekeeping staff and maintenance crews, everyone needs to be on the same page when it comes to electrical safety. Now, when it comes to healthcare facilities, we're not talking about your average toaster oven and hairdryer. We're talking high-tech medical equipment that keeps people alive. This stuff is the real deal, and it requires specialized knowledge to operate and maintain. We're talking regular inspections, preventative maintenance, and making sure everyone knows how to use this equipment safely and effectively. Imagine a hospital without power. Surgeries grind to a halt, life support systems fail, and patients are left in the dark. Not a pretty picture, right? That's why having a reliable backup power system isn't just a good idea, it's an absolute necessity. We're talking generators that kick in automatically, ensuring a seamless transition and keeping those vital systems running no matter what Mother Nature throws our way. Look, I'm not a big fan of red tape any more than the next guy. But when it comes to electrical safety, rules and regulations are there for a reason. They provide a framework for ensuring that electrical systems are designed, installed, and maintained to the highest standards. We're talking about meeting building codes, adhering to industry best practices, and staying up to date on the latest safety guidelines. Remember fire drills back in school? Annoying, maybe? Important? Absolutely. The same goes for electrical safety drills in hospitals and hotels. Regular drills help staff stay sharp, familiarize themselves with emergency procedures, and react quickly and effectively when every second counts. So there you have it, folks. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the importance of regular inspections and GFCIs to the critical role of emergency preparedness and ongoing training. Remember, electrical safety isn't just about following rules, it's about creating a culture of safety. Let's work together to make sure our hospitals, hotels, and all those essential spaces are as safe as they can be. Stay safe out there.